Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Larry. If you're an old subscriber or returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Today's tutorial is a simple one, of course, and it's a collaboration with Viana Beauty. I'll leave her link down the description box. Do check her out. She also has some amazing content for you guys, so remember to subscribe to my channel and her channel as well if you haven't. I went ahead with my brow pencil from Pretty by Floma in the shade Bitter Brown to draw my brow. If you haven't seen my detailed brow tutorial, I'll leave it down the description box, so do check it out as well. So I'm just filling in my brow. To conceal, I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn and Dark Cocoa. Now I'm using my spoolie brush to brush everything in place. I'm using AOA concealer in the shade Cool Tan and LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa to clean my brow. This is one of the reasons why I love using natural lighting. It looks, everything looks clean. I sometimes use my ring light, but I have problem with my right eye. Is it left or right? Yes, so the light is sometimes too harsh for my eye. That's why I prefer using natural lighting. Now I'm just using that same concealer as my eyeshadow base. To start, I'm using the Nikak Dual Contour as my transitional color. And I'm using my Zueva blending brush. Yes. Using that same concealer on my eyelid. And the palette I'm using is Catrice Cosmetics, the Ultimate Chrome Collection eyeshadow palette. I prefer using my my finger because it gives me the pigment I want. Going back into the Nikak Dual Contour, I'm softening the edges of my eyeshadow. My eyeliner is from Pretty by Floma eyeliner pen. My primer too is from Pretty by Floma. I don't know why I keep buying this people's product, but it's good. I love their product. I'm using my Maybelline Classic Colossal Mascara. My foundation is from Pretty by Floma in the shade, is it Foundation Fusion Power Foundation Serum in the shade SF27. Please do share this video if you find it helpful. Now I'm highlighting with that same concealer I used to clean my brow. LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa and AOA Wonder Cover Concealer in the shade Cool Tan. My washing machine is making some noise. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Please do take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Let's hit 1K this very month, or yes, let's hit 1K. It's been a while since I'm stuck in that 600 and what. Please do take a moment to subscribe. Now I'm going in with my beauty blender to further blend my concealer. To contour, I'm using the LA Girl LA Girl Truly Matte Foundation in the shade Ebony and Cafe to contour. Going in with my beauty blender to set to further blend that. I'm using my setting powder from Pretty by Floma in the shade Light Sand. My highlight, my blush is from Nicardua blush. I'm using that same contour palette I used on my eye as my eyeshadow. I'm using that same to contour to set the places where I contoured. The same on my nose. Now I'm brushing that powder off using my NYX matte setting spray. Go for it. So I always go ahead with my beauty blender to blend I always use my beauty blender, to dab the setting spray into my skin. I'm using that same Catrice Cosmetics eyeshadow palette as my highlighter. And this is bomb. Yes, the pigment is bomb. It wasn't even showing in the camera because I don't know why. I was surprised. Now I'm using my Huda Beauty lip contour in the shade, is it V6? I lost some footage here, do forgive me. And I use Huda Beauty lip gloss. I'll leave it down the description box. Do check it out, guys. Please, if you haven't subscribed, do take a moment to subscribe and leave me a comment down below. Share this tutorial if you can. My lashes were flipping on. Bye, until meet again.